Okay, go.
You better keep your toes up so you don't break them. You want to do it again? Keep your toes up. You need a bigger pool. You can put the big blue slide on there. Yeah, one more time for somebody to record it. And send it to Papaw or Sissy. Hold on, don't do it yet. Let me record my mine too.
I'll just send the video to yours.
Hold on, folks.
Stevie!
Your toes up. Hold on. One more time. Hurry up. Get up there. No, so I can have it on tape. Hold on. Remember, keep your toes up. It's good. Just keep your feet up. Go, hurry up. Ready? Hold on, wait. All right. Here we go. Woo! Woo!
I'm gonna tape you. And he says, I'll take that.
Send that to Sissy. All right, go. Hurry up. You be careful, boy. You don't lift your toes or break your toe.
Hey. Damn it, horse fly, get off me.
You gotta pick your feet up.
Land on your butt next time. It's more fun. Hurry what? I already got you. Mine's still going.
Pick your feet up before you hit the wall, the green thing. Yeah.
Don't do that, Rick, with these kids right now barefooted.
Go. Hurry up. You're gonna hurt your butt.
Okay, ready? Go. Yeah, you can.
Go. See? Told you. That's enough now. Good. I